Hey, welcome back to the Brain Mission channel, and today we're going to be looking at the PEP ability test that we did today and see how you did. So we're going to start with part 2 and then we'll do part 1 later. So let's jump right in. So it says examine the rule below. Use it to answer item 21. And the rule is each number in the second and third row is the product of the two numbers just below it. So let me get my pen here. First, okay, so which of the following combinations did not apply this rule? Okay, so it says 24 here, 6 4 24, right? 616 144, so that is correct. This one is 313 312 36, so that is correct. This one here is 8 10 80, 4 2s 8, 5 2s 10, so that is correct. 2 3 6 3 5 15, so this is definitely not correct, so the answer here would be D. Examine a portion of 100 chart below. Use it to answer item 22. So 34, you know that this is be 35, this is 36. I might want to get this a little not so thick, get it to about here, and then this would be what, 36, right? So 36, 37, 38, and this is 44, 45, 46, 47, 40. So this would be 48 without me even trying to write there. All right, next one is which of the following represents the pattern given in the table? So we have a diamond and we have a tree. So it says 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6, 8, 10, 12. So this means that 2 of the diamond here represent a 6 of the tree right here, right? So 2 of these would not be 6. 2 plus 2 is not 6. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal a tree. Or is it the diamond plus 2 equal a tree? I would say C, where it's a 2 diamond plus 2 equal the tree. All right. The beads on the counting frame shown below represent the number 6219. Use this information to answer item 24. So that's 6,219. This is 6,000. This is 200. This is 1 or 10. I'm sorry. And this is 9. Which digit is the in the number has the smallest value? That would be 9 because it's 9 ones. So the answer is B. The table below shows Sarah's 3 tries to unlock a device using a 3-digit code. For each try, the table shows the number of digits that were correct and the number of digits that were in the correct position. Use the table to answer item 25. So try number 1, 321 was the code she used. Number of digits correct were 2, and number of digits in the correct position 2. All right. Second was 436. Number of digits correct 2, number of digits in the correct position 1, and third 526, 2 correct digits and 2. So if 2 correct digits here, so let's see, down here is 2 correct digits, so that means 3 is one of them, and there are 2 up here. 3, not sure about this. Down here 2 digit correct, so 2 here is correct, 6 correct. I'll say 326 is the answer for this one. All right. Examine the weight of 4 objects below. Use it to answer item 26. Object E, 150 grams. Object F, 4 kilograms. Object G, 140 grams. And object H, 2 kilograms. Which object is the lightest? So that would be 140 grams would be the lightest here. So it would be object G. All right, let's move on. Which statement is true about the fraction in the diagram? Half is more than 2/3. No, half is not more than 2/3. 2/3 is more than half. 2/3 is more than 4/6. 4/6 to its lowest form. 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 6, 3. So it's the same thing. It would be 2/3. So this is not more than that. 2/6 is less than a quarter. 2/6, 2 into 2, 1. And 2 into 6, 3. That's 1/3 is less than a quarter. So the answer would be C. Examine the information given about 4 cards, S, T, U, and V. Each card has one of 4 numbers on it, 3, 8, 10, or 12. Use it to answer item 28. The number on card T is an even number, all right? The number on card S is divisible by about 2 and 4, so that's 8. The number of card U is multiplied by 4, so that's 12. So all the even numbers are taken, so the answer here would be A, 3. All right, examine the 2 balance scales below. Use them to answer item 29. Okay, it says, which of the following would be the same as 2 of these blue squares? So this cylinder and this red cube would be 6 of these. And 1 cylinder is 2 of these. So if you want 2 of these, it would be A. So the answer should be A. Right. Examine the number line below. Use it to answer item 30. Said, which letter represent the number 3582 on the number line? So this is 3579. Then this is going to be 3580, 3581, 3582. So that would be N. So N would be the correct answer. So 30 is N. The diagrams below show a toy truck pulled for a distance of 150 centimeters. Diagram S shows the truck being pulled by the weight of 3 marbles in a bucket. Diagram T shows the truck being pulled by the weight of 2 marbles in a bucket. In each diagram, each marble weighs the same amount. The toy truck was pulled for a distance of 150 centimeters. Use information and the diagram to answer item 31. All right, so this is the first one with the 3 marbles. The truck was pulled for 8 seconds. Second one, same distance, 150 in 15 seconds. If the bucket has 1 marble, about how long would it take for the truck to travel the same distance of 150 centimeters? It will be less than 8 seconds? No, because with 3 marbles, it was 8 seconds. So that's not going to happen. No more than 8 seconds. No more than 8 seconds? No, it will be more than 8 seconds. It will be more than 50 seconds, if anything, because with 2 marbles, it went 15 seconds. Less than 15 seconds? No, it has to be more than 15 seconds because 2 marbles in 15 seconds. So it's going to be more than 15 seconds because it's just 1 marble. It won't pack that much punch. All right, so let's move on to 32. Read the statement and examine the diagram given below about the top speed of a type of bird, a type of car, and a single engine plane. Use it to answer item 32. The bird is 75 kilometers per hour faster than the car. The single engine plane is 75 kilometers per hour slower than the car. Okay, so that means it would be 150 kilometers slower than the bird. That is the single engine plane. Which of the following could represent the likely top speed for the bird and the single engine plane? So which of these now? So the bird is always going to be 150 kilometers faster. So this is not 150 kilometers faster. This neither. This is like the same thing. Okay. And 450 right here, 300. This one looks like it is 300 and then 450 kilometers. So that is my answer B. Look at the pictograph below. Use it to answer item 33 and 34. Mode of transportation is walking, bus, bicycle, and car. Number of students, boom, boom, boom. So which mode of transportation is least preferred? The least stars I'm seeing here is but walking, so I'll say walking. Answer is 33. The number of students who take the bus is 12 more than the number of students who walk. Which does the star represent? So that's, it would be easy. So we just need to say, okay, 4 2s 8, and then 1 2 5 4 is 20. Let's try 4. So this is 20, and if I take 8 from 20, it leaves 12. So the answer here would be 4. Okay, good. Examine the graph below and the information given in the box about the favorite sport of grade 6 students. Each bar represents one of 4 sports: cricket, football, tennis, and netball. Use the information provided in the graph in the box below to the graph to answer item 35 to 37. So favorite sport, and here we go. So we have one that's represented by 15, then 10, then 5, and then 25. It says 2 times as many students choose cricket as they did netball. 2 times as many chose cricket as did netball. 2 times as many. So this looked like it's netball right here, and this looked like it's cricket because this is 5 and this is 10, and this is 2 times 5 is 10. So this is the only 2 that would represent that. 5 more students choose football than cricket. So this must be cricket because this is 15 and this is 10, which is 5 more than the 10. So that definitely, this is football, this is cricket, this is netball. So this means that this is tennis. And 10 more students chose tennis than football. So as you can see, 15 plus 10 would be 25. So definitely we have it right. This is tennis, this is netball, this is cricket, this is football. So how many students chose the second most popular sport? That's 15. So that's football. So that's 15. Which sport was liked by 10 students? That would be cricket. So I'd put A for that. Which sport was liked by a little more than quarter of the 55? So this means that it's 55 total. So it will be a quarter of the 55. That look like it's around 15, 14 here. So I would say that is football. All right, we're winding down. For item 38, there is a question followed by 2 statements. Read the statements carefully to see if they provide enough information to help you answer the question. How many passengers are now on the bus? That is the question. Statement 1, the bus made 2 stops. Statement 2, at the first stop, 12 persons got on the bus. Is that enough to tell us anything that the bus, how many passengers on the bus? No. So both statements together are not enough to answer the question. I choose A. And then 39, examine the balance scale below. Use it to answer item 39. Which of the following would also make the scale balance? So if you have 1 apple to 2, I think this is like tennis ball. I'm not sure. Maybe it's orange. So 1 apple to 2 oranges. So let me see, 1 and 2 here. So this would be like 2 apples, and this is no. So this wouldn't work. I'm not sorry. This would be 1.5 apples, I should say, over here. So this is 1 here. So this is okay. So remember, 2 of these make 1 apple. So this 2 would balance this and this. So I'll say B is the answer. And examine the mathematical sentences below. There are 4 shapes: diamonds, then you have the circle, then you have the triangle, and you have the square. Each shape represents its own unique number. Use the mathematical sentences and this information to answer item 40. So diamond plus circle, 10. Circle plus box, 20. Box plus triangle, 30. Triangle plus not triangle, I'm sorry. Diamond plus triangle equals 20. This looks like it's 10. Circle like it's 10. Box looks like it's also 10. I think diamond is a 0. Like diamond is nothing, as far as I can see. Diamond is nothing. So it means that the triangle is 20, equal to 20. So I'll choose B. And that is the end of the assessment. Hopefully you got all right. And as I said, I hope you all did well today. This is today's assessment. Thank you very much for zoning in. I will be uploading the second half to this. Thank you very much. Remember to like, subscribe. I'm Brainy. I'm out for now.